is fully firing today. Casemiro, Ronaldo gets his goal! Cristiano Ronaldo has got his belief back.
Well, before that ball came in, if you have a look, it's a 2v1 overload at the far post.
Something they haven't done now in 44 games. Vasquez with a cross. Ronaldo! Hat-trick Cristiano Ronaldo! No, he's taken a blow to the head. Ronaldo gets his second goal. Not that he knows a great deal about it. The boos will be music to the ears of Cristiano Ronaldo. Neat, precise, to the point, lifting some of the pressure on Zinedine Zidane's Real Madrid. Cristiano Ronaldo is on the spot, and Ronaldo makes it 2-0. Cue the celebration.
Marcelo. Oh, it's way too easy. Cristiano Ronaldo for the first time side foot finish. But again, Modric to the corner, up goes Ronaldo, it's 4. Well, this could be any score for Real Madrid. Back out with Gareth Bale. Willie spilled out, and Ronaldo's hat-trick. Yet another hat-trick in the famous white shirt to add to the long list for Cristiano Ronaldo.
Up steps Ronaldo and scores with tremendous power, and the holders in the Champions League are level on the stroke of half-time. PSG on the back foot, Marco Asensio sends it right the way through, it's gone in, it's Ronaldo! It's the big moment and it's the big man for Real Madrid. He knew nothing about it, and inside the last 10 minutes Ronaldo strikes in the Champions League again.
Casemiro. Clever ball, and it's 4. Ronaldo rifles the shot past Adam, and Real Madrid have breathing space.
Lucas Vasquez. Ball's kind to Benzema. Benzema stylish to Ronaldo, who finishes off brilliantly. Well, a big thank you to Benzema from Cristiano Ronaldo. Vasquez, oh, Ronaldo.
Oh my goodness.
Another Ronaldo goal, another Vasquez assist. Benzema.
Oh, he's there.
This guy's pass. Ronaldo trying to find the space. Not only finding the space, but Cristiano Ronaldo finds the goal. Another milestone goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. His 300th in La Liga. Marcelo. Ronaldo flies through the air with the greatest of ease and puts the game beyond Getafe.
Oh, that's a great ball he's found there, though. Lucas Vasquez towards the back post. Cristiano Ronaldo, there it is. He's done it again. 8 games, scored in every one of them in the Champions League, and he's probably settled this tie right now.
600,000 from Espanyol. This is... Oh, Ronaldo. Brilliant take by Ronaldo. Give him one chance and he gives you a goal. Ronaldo comes alive. Playing to the gallery. Modric. Carvajal. Ronaldo. Right place, right time, right man, Ronaldo.
You know, I was watching it when he laid the ball off. I cannot believe what I'm seeing, that Eibar just ignored him. Striking position.
Kroos for Ronaldo! Brilliant finish! Well, he made that look so easy. Vasquez, Benzema, Ronaldo! You simply didn't doubt him once he got clear of the Girona defence. But the passing in the lead-up to Ronaldo's crucial strike was delightful. Cutbacks on for Benzema. Now Karim Benzema! And Ronaldo! Chalks up yet another Real Madrid hat-trick. Well, it looked like, finally, Karim Benzema was going to get on the score sheet. It'll be time for one more goal. Kroos. And there's Ronaldo! Has he got any more room in his house? I know his house is big, but it's another match ball for the collection. 4 on the night for the brilliant Cristiano Ronaldo.